Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Esports GM200W Optical gaming mouse. This specific one is the World of Warships branded edition. Let's see what we have here. It seems to have a 3200 DPI optical sensor, multicolor illumination, and a rubber coating on the mouse surface. If you look on the side, you see that it is a 7-button mouse and has a braided cable, a 1.5 meter braided cable to be precise. The LED lights seem to be switchable and it has variable DPI support ranging from 800 to 3200. It seems to be a lightweight ergonomic design with a black rubber finish. So let's open this up and see what we have in the box. That's the mouse itself in some simple packaging. There is some anti-sports branding, a user manual and warranty card, and a 1000 rupee scan and redeem World of Warships voucher. Right off the bat, you can see the braided cable, bright red and black. It's a very sleek looking mouse. It's got a nice finish to it. Great grip on the scroll wheel. The DPI change buttons. 2 buttons on the left, which makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons as declared on the box. It seems to be quite comfortable to use, and that's about it. Thank you for watching.